Some tips for installing a vacant space lock. Please keep in mind your door thickness needs to be between 1 3/8 inch and 2 inches. Your lock will arrive right-hand orientation. If you need left-hand orientation, simply rotate 180 degrees, twist off the rose plate, and affix it to the corresponding orientation. Your thumb lock by default will be facing vertically, which also moves very easily. The latch easily adjusts between 60 and 70 millimeters. When you're ready to install your lock with included pin, pop the thumb lever lock side out, move the rose plate to expose the screws to tighten down. The lock has an emergency unlock feature which can be used with a flathead. The window and words are very large and can be seen from far away. The construction of the lock is very durable with grade 2 construction, perfect for residential and commercial use. Thank you for purchasing the VACANTSPACE lock.